Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I'm Kiki. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do an increase. That's going to be labeled as INC on your crochet pattern. All right, everybody. So for our increase here, I made sure I did a nice little circle with a little bit of a bigger gauge, just so it's a little bit easier to see some things. So an increase is simply 2 single crochets in 1 hole. So you've got 1 stitch here. You're going to go into that stitch, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through, so it's just your basic single stitch, and then right back into that same hole, go through, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through. So you'll be able to see you've got 2 single crochets in 1 hole. And that's all it is. You're going to see it one more time, go into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, and then yarn over and pull through, right back into that same hole. Yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through. I hope you were able to learn something from that. Let me know how your journey is going on down in the comments below, and we'll see you next time.